अगर आपके पास पूरा पॉडकास्ट देखने का वक्त नहीं है तो बढ़िया बढ़िया रसीली क्लिप्स देखिए और आनंद उठाइए। सब्सक्राइब टू दोस्तकास्ट क्लिप्स।
देखो अभी भी ऐसा है कि आप इतने बड़े फाइनेंस एजुकेटर हो, यू हैव रिटन more than a few books now. You've written 3 books, right? You basically write in publications almost every week. You host a podcast that comes out every week. You host podcasts on other channels. And you are probably helming this. There are others like you. There is so much finance content in India. And you can tell by the number of people who send rave reviews कि सब देख रहे हैं. But I promise you, if you look at the data, जब परिवारों की बात आती है, भारतीय परिवारों की, अब भी मेरी जमीन है ये, हमारे पास सोना इतना है. लाइक जिस तरह का परसेप्शन तब होता था जब कोई वो डीमैट अकाउंट खोलता था और फिजिकल स्टॉक लेके आता था कि हाय हाय ये स्टॉक मार्केट में है, वो सेम चीज आज भी. आई स्टिल थिंक दैट only educated consumers in urban cities maybe are investing in non-real estate and gold assets. How can we convince these people to shift to a more balanced asset mix?
I think it has to happen slowly. So you must remember that it was only in 2014 with the Jan Dhan account movement that Narendra Modi again initiated that India got banked. There was a large part of the population जिनके तो बैंक accounts ही नहीं थे 2014 तक में, because they were all serving the cities. So there was this huge push to open basic bank accounts. So you have a significant percentage of the rural population and urban informal who are first time they're interacting with banks. I would be very, very scared to encourage them to buy a risk product like a mutual fund. I would want them to first experiment with maybe Kisan Vikas Patra, National Saving Certificate, Fixed Deposit, PPF. Maybe they experiment with these because these are government guaranteed products. I have no hesitation in recommending them product names because these are central government products. We have the government guarantee behind them. Once they've experimented with these and understood that paisa jata hai to aata bhi hai, then we could introduce a risk-based product like say an index fund to them. I'd be very, very afraid to recommend. So they are okay if they're doing gold and real estate. Unko samajh aati hai. So it's contextual, right? So somebody who's a professional in a city, my response would be, why do you want the headache of real estate? You're a busy doctor, you're a busy lawyer. Do you really have the wherewithal to fix like a leaking tap because your tenant calls you, right? You don't want that bother. But my advice to somebody who's a first generation financialized person would be to be careful, understand it, see how it works, and then you start putting. So I would slow it down for them.